Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your dough is too dry, you may need to add water to the recipe. Try adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of water to the dough, and knead it. If your flour isn't too old, then you may want to try higher quality flour. 31 January 2020.
Take our lead.
If your dough is cracking, it is too dry. This problem can be solved by increasing the amount of water used during kneading or by increasing the amount of oil added to the recipe. When adding water to the dough, only add a few drops at a time. If you add too much water, add a little more flour to offset the wetness.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To reach moist bread, you need to make sure your bread is not overproofed. Be sure to hydrate it enough during the bake until it developed a thick crust. Ingredients-wise, it's recommended to use whole grain flour. Add special fruity ingredients to give your loaf more moisture, and last, let it cool down completely before.
Take our lead.
Adding an extra egg yolk increases chewiness. Rolling the cookie dough balls to be taller than wider increases thickness. Using melted butter and slightly more flour increases chewiness. Chilling the dough results in a thicker cookie. 13 May 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.